Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel reports using AI. First, understand that AI can transform raw data into structured information, saving you hours. Begin by identifying your data sources within Excel. Next, consider the type of report you need, whether it's a sales summary or a financial overview. This initial planning is crucial for effective AI integration. Now, let's select the right AI tool. Many platforms offer Excel integration, so look for one that aligns with your specific reporting needs. Prioritize tools with strong natural language processing for easier data querying and robust data visualization features. Always check for user reviews and ensure the tool offers good support. A free trial can help you assess its suitability before committing. With your AI tool selected, it's time to integrate. Most tools provide clear instructions for connecting to your Excel files. Once connected, use natural language prompts to tell the AI what kind of report you want. For example, ask for monthly sales trends or customer demographics. The AI will then process the data and generate a draft report, which you can then review and refine. Finally, enhance your AI-generated reports. Leverage the AI to dig deeper, asking it to identify specific trends, outliers, or correlations that might not be immediately obvious. Customize the visuals, like charts and graphs, to make your findings more impactful and easier to understand for your audience. Remember, the goal is clear, concise communication. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.